CBI has arrested Anand Daga, the lawyer of Anil Deshmukh, and Abhishek Tiwari, sub-inspector of CBI, for allegedly influencing the probe against the former Maharashtra Home Minister through illegal gratification. The agency registered a fresh case in this matter after the inquiry report giving a clean chit to Deshmukh was leaked from the agency. The Deshmukh camp, citing the inquiry report, had questioned how the agency proceeded to file an FIR when the inquiry revealed no cognizable offence. The CBI there arrested Deshmukh's lawyer, accusing him of influencing the probe, and he's in fact been brought to Delhi now for questioning. They've also arrested their own sub-inspector in the latest developments.
The Central Bureau of Investigation has arrested Anand Daga, who is a lawyer of former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh, for allegedly trying to influence the probe against the former Home Minister of Maharashtra through inducing a sub-inspector of the Central Bureau of Investigation. The agency, after registering a new case in connection with this particular allegation, invoking sections of Prevention of Corruption Act, has also arrested the sub-inspector Abhishek Tiwari, who is a sub-inspector of the Anti-Corruption Headquarters branch of the Central Bureau of Investigation. So both Anand Daga and also Abhishek Tiwari, both of them will be produced before the Rouse Avenue Court shortly, where the agency is expected to seek police custody for further interrogation. So what our sources are saying is that after the inquiry report, the preliminary inquiry report, which was leaked from the agency that gave a clean sheet to Anil Deshmukh, the agency initiated an inquiry into how this particular report got leaked from the agency. So during the course of that particular inquiry, the agency got to know that this particular sub-inspector, who was part of the investigation team, he was in constant touch with the legal team of Anil Deshmukh, and that's how the agency started questioning this particular sub-inspector. They also analyzed his phone, through which the agency got to know that this particular sub-inspector was in regular touch with the legal team of Anil Deshmukh, post which the agency registered a fresh case in this particular matter, and they also conducted searches at the premises of the sub-inspector both in Delhi and also his home in Allahabad. So after which he was arrested yesterday late evening, and after that the agency proceeded to arrest this particular lawyer of Anil Deshmukh, who is Anand Daga. So he was arrested in Mumbai yesterday, post which through a transit remand he has been brought to Delhi. So shortly from now, both these people, both Anand Daga and also Abhishek Tiwari, will be produced before the competent court, where the agency is expected to seek further custody. What we are also being told is that very soon the agency will be issuing summons to Anil Deshmukh to join investigation in this case also, and also in the first corruption case that has been registered against him based on the allegations from Parambir Singh, the former top cop of Mumbai Police.